Now here's a rather unusual view of an engine. This is the bottom, the crankshaft, and this is where the liner goes. So this here is where the O-ring sits. That's purely for strength, and you can see the cylinder head studs at the top. Because today we're going to try the liner in. So here's the liner.
Do you mind dipping that brush out?
In the air. So we've lifted the liner up using the stacker truck. We have a chain block on for final lowering in position, and a bit of luck and perhaps a little bit of jiggling, the liner goes down. Now at the moment there's no O-ring on the bottom of the liner, so it's just a dry fit, because the next thing we need to do is try to radially turn the liner so the quills go in. These being the quills, these being the quills that screw into the liner, and the oil is fed down the hole to lubricate various bits. I don't know if you can see it. No, it's not far off at the moment. Well, after a bit of jiggling and juggling, we've got the liner in. And there's no real marks for lining it up radially. There's this hole here, and there's this small mark there, but it doesn't seem to line up with anything. There's the mark showing it was tested at, is it 750 pounds when they hydraulically tested the liner. So we've got it radial in the right position, because this is one of the quills that feeds oil to various places, and you can see it's more or less in the centre. So we'll get the rest of the quills and just make sure these feed the thrust faces, and one of them feeds the small end. That looks like a good sign when it goes in. There's an O-ring that goes on here that seals in the bore. Then there's a flange as well. So onwards and onwards. So what we've got to do now is mark it radially. We can then take it out and try the O-ring on, and once it's in, it's staying in. So we've got all the quills in that lubricate various bits. You can see these are dead on the centre of the hole, and the quill straight, but one or two of them are a little bit out. So they seal the water. We have these are the original 1906 natural rubber O-rings. And then there's this flange that seals on, and that's what keeps the water in theory.